Let's see another JavaScript interview question. We do have Ravi's calculator app hits a strange edge case. We do have console.log 0 by 0. If you know the output, please comment below. Else we will see all the edge cases and then we will see what should be the fix. Alright, if you know, please comment below. Else let's see. Definitely the output should be NaN, not a number. Let's run and check. We are seeing that the output is NaN, not a number. Whenever we are dividing 0 by 0 in JavaScript, the output will be not a number. Let's see the real life scenarios where we can face this type of issue, and at that time we may spellbound that why we are getting this output. Let's see the first scenario. The first scenario is average calculation. Let me create a function average calculation, and inside that I am passing the parameters as sum and count, and let's return the sum by count. I am returning the sum by count. Now I am calling average calculation and I am passing the parameter as 0 0, and let's console the output as well so that we can see the output. Can anyone guess what should be the output here? So definitely we will get NaN, because the first parameter we do have and the value is 0 and the second is again 0. When we are dividing 0 by 0, definitely we will get the output as not a number. Now let's go with another example. Again, let's call the function average calculation, and in this what we are passing, let's pass 10 and 0. So remember this, that when we are dividing the value, some value, like we do have a value as 10, and when we are dividing 10 with the 0, so the output should be infinity. Now let's go with another example. Let's call the same function and let's pass the parameter as 0 and 5. Remember this also, that when we are dividing the number 0 with some value like 5, so the output will be 0. This can be the edge cases that we may stuck while doing any logical challenges or when we are doing our day-to-day code. So please remember this. Now let's go with another example. Let's run also. We are seeing that we are getting NaN, then infinity, then we are getting 0. Now let's go with another example. Let's use same function. Instead of average calculation, let's put percentage, and instead of doing this, let's do current. Let's pass the parameter as current, and let's pass another parameter as total. All right, and let's return current by total, then do multiplication of both. All right, into 100. All right, now let's pass the same parameters, 0 by 0, then 10 by 0, then 0 by 5. So can anyone guess what should be the output? If you know the answer, please comment below. Let's see the output. What we have missed, why we are getting this error? I think we have missed something. Okay, because we have deleted the function and we are calling it, so let's update the function calling as well. Now let's run this. Here we are seeing that NaN, infinity, and 0. These are the edge cases which may stuck while doing our challenges or while doing our code. So can anyone guess that what should be the fixes? We should know the fixes as well. So let's see how we should handle this type of scenarios. So let me create a function safeDivide. All right, divide, and let's pass parameter as a and b, and let's do if. Firstly we should add the check that if b equal 0, then what we should do, then we should check again that if a equal 0, then we should return as 0. If it's not, then we should return as infinity, else we should return what, a by b. All right, so we should add the safe check, then we should go with these type of things. So definitely we will get to know and we will be expected that what should be the output. We are getting the suggestions, so let's go with suggestion. So we do have 0 by 0, so definitely what we will get here, let's go with the example. We do have 0 and by 0. So when we have b, what we are getting b as 0. So when b equal 0, then we will enter inside this, and again we will check that a is also 0. If it's 0, so we will return as 0. So here what we will get 0. Now let's go with another one. When a is 10, so when a is 10 and when we are having b as 0, so when b equal 0, so it's true, then we will enter inside this, but our a is not 0, our a is 10, so this will not fulfill this loop. All right, this will not enter inside this block. Then what we will get, infinity. Now let's go with another one. We do have 0, then 5. So when a is 0 and b is 5, 5 not equal to 0, so we will not enter inside this. We will directly move to this block, and what we will get the output as 0. So let's check what we are getting. So we are getting 0, then infinity, then 0. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please comment below. Thank you.